Dude, do you know what to do? What? We should ride the hit song. Dude, we should totally ride the hit song. Yeah, we are. Okay. Check it out. Just do I do. You do the edge and I'll do the backup. Okay. Blaine. What are you doing? Sorry, Bosh Fudge. We were trying to write the hit song. What? We're trying to... I hear what you said! There's no way you two could ever write a hit song. Because no you didn't. Anyone do the ringtone with a hit song, and that's not hit song. You don't know. Doesn't mean we don't have to do the write the hit song. Hey, Pops Monkey. Yes? Could Rabbit and Seal write the hit song? They could write their song. Yeah, but hit song? Oh, nope. Mossman? Yeah, right. Trick? Oh yeah? Then we will show you. Yo, are you dishonored this record comedy? Yes? Well, check this out. Ha 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 ha. Okay. We're leaving. Okay. We should never write a hit song. Are you finished now? Yes. Good. Now go back to work, or you're both fired. Oh man, now we never try to fix them. Yeah. But we can use the tool. We should totally use the tool. Yeah.